Right, this is my kit. As you can see, I've got the two clips on there, and I haven't got enough. I've got oxygen, but that's where my pressure sits. Now I'm going to turn. Now there's my gun. Now mine's the original 00. So now I'm going to turn my oxygen on to weld. Now this is what should happen with that other. Now this is a lot smoother. See? Now when I turn my gun on the oxygen on the gun, it drops down to there. It doesn't go to 0. That one doesn't move. And then you turn the oxygen off, creeps back to it where you want to weld at. It's a little bit low. I normally weld just below half the bar. So this is my kit. That's how his one should work. It doesn't do nothing like that. Now I'm just going to try his gun. I'm going to put his gun on my hoses.